what they can buy. Even when I'm weak, I'm sure it's gonna be alright.
For its daily channel professor me into the financial market. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that turns on notification so each time I post a video, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube also will direct others who are new into this channel. So if you're seeing us for the first time, this is FOREX Academy YouTube channel where we discuss how to trade, manage your risk, pass proprietary firm, and manage funds for investor through FS. So you're in the right place to learn forex, and if you want to see how to trade, you can use the link in the comment section to join our Telegram community where I share my day-to-day activities and daily trading signals for free of charge, no fee. So today we'll be continuing a journey from 0 to 100k funded account. So as I speak now, I have no funded account. I am not funded with any proprietary firm. The one I have last year, I lost it, and I think I filmed the video of how I lost a 6k proprietary firm on the YouTube channel. So you could also go watch it out and see how it feels to lose money in the financial market. So without wasting much of time, I discuss how prof firm are coming through to a lot of traders. Over the years, a lot of traders have learned and mastered the art of trading, but the fact there is not that they don't know how to trade, but some traders lack the finances to trade. So that was how prof firm come as a rescue to these traders. So they come in form of rescue to this retail trader by giving them an account for them to trade. In giving this account, you are supposed to be evaluated, and come with me, what is an evaluation? Evaluation is being referred to as a systematic process of assessing what you do and how you do it to arrive at a judgment about the worth, merit, or the value of money. And since money is involved, they have to test your capability, which is your psychology, your risk management, your money management, how you could manage money. That is why you are being evaluated through the phase 1, the phase 2, then you get funded. But as we speak now, a lot of professionals are adding phase 3, such as the Mavis trader. So this enables you to scale your funds in trading. I know a lot of people will be thinking that scaling funds through profit is not easy. I know it's not easy, but the real fact, which is the real truth there, is it enables you from 0 to 100. So we'll be getting first maybe the 5k account, and somebody is still asking me which profit do I suggest. As a trader and as a mentor to some, my advice is I will describe something to you and I will tell you, go do your foundings before you invest your money. Let's take for instance, I may suggest Mavis Trader to you, and Mavis Trader is not using the MT4, either the MetaTrader 5, and you ended up subscribing for MT4 C Trader, and you are not used to C Trader. So then you will not be holding me responsible for, no. There are FTMO, there are fundedness, there are my forest fund, so forth and so forth and so forth and so on. So that is how about the profit and edge force. So over the years back, some of traders were lacking how to trade or how to get money to trade. But thank God for the life of FTMO. So sorry, my forest fund closed down, the fundedness. A lot of profit that have been changing life all over the globe came true for some traders in order for them to have enough of money to trade. What do I say enough of money? With $44 you can get a 10k from Mavis trading. With $66 you can get an account of 10k from funded pips. With $66 you can get a 10k account from fundedness. So this how is being reduced in order for you and I to be able to be able to afford. And before we could afford this challenge, before we could get to the sweetest part, which is the result part, is we have to be evaluated. Evaluated simply means they have to give us a case to study. Let's take for instance, let me say a mechanical engineer just came up and say, yo, I can fix your brake pad, and you just give him your motor. You have to, okay, test, do something, just do something, let me know you are capable of doing it aside your mechanic which you know before. So this is how trading profit is. You have to be given the phase one, the phase two, and the phase one is for the company. So when you got in the phase, when you pass the phase one, you will be channeled instantly to the phase two. The phase two, when you pass the phase two, you are going to keep the some of these profit are charging 80%, some are charging 90, some are giving 85 to their trader profit split. Then they will take 15, 10% plus the money you use in purchasing the account. So when you are not funded, you given a life account. So this life account, it determines, listen very well, it determines where you place it, either to be withdrawn every week or to be withdrawn once in a month. So this is how profit come through for some trader. Let's say for instance a trader who does not, or who did not dream of having a 100k life account personally, like cash. With profit, it can scale through, withdraw, make some withdrawals and fund his personal broker. So this is how profit are becoming true to some people. So this is why we are bringing in your doorstep from 0 to 100k funded challenge. You can't afford to miss it. Every trade will be dropped in our Telegram channel. And if you are seeing us for the first time, don't forget to assist us with the subscribe button, share and like, and drop what you notice about this video. Criticism, yeah. So what's up, my guys? If you love a content like this and you like to see good content like this, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon and that like button, so each time I post a video, YouTube will easily get you notified. Like you will just receive the notification like an SMS in your phone. And for those who want to continue, who want to ride on this journey with us, please and please don't forget to send me a DM on Telegram. I promise to create a group, personal group for this challenge, so we all can see the result before the end or before mid 2025. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you at FOREX Telegram channel. Subscribe and join us. So don't forget, follow me on my social media.